Dear teachers, in the near future, the company will proceed to adjust the ERP software to facilitate its usage. Currently, the IT department has activated the training feature on your interface. This training module is primarily used for the AA and AD departments in the company. The IT department will provide some guidance on how to use this module. First, when a teacher logs in using the following link, enter the ID and password provided by the HR department. For example, I log in using a teacher's account. The teacher will immediately see their name displayed here. Then, teachers should switch the interface to English if they are foreign teachers. Once the interface changes to English, please click on the training module or Edu Center. On the left side, a menu will appear showing features teachers need to use: teaching schedule, attendance for absences, attendance for presence, and learning results. The section teachers are most interested in is the courses and individual schedules. When teachers click on the schedule, it will display the monthly, weekly, and daily teaching schedule for each teacher. In this timetable, the teacher can easily see which class they are scheduled to teach, the time, and the class they need to handle. Secondly, the courses that teachers need to teach can also be found here. Teachers can find the classes assigned to them. In the future, IT will work with the vendor so teachers can filter their classes by name. This feature is not yet available. For now, teachers can search for one of their classes manually. The IT department will demonstrate using a sample teacher name. In the top tab, once in the class, the teacher will access the attendance section. The list of all students will be displayed here. Before starting the lesson, teachers or assistants should take attendance and check if students have completed their homework. If a student is absent, the teacher selects the reason for absence and fills it in. This section will be updated to include both English and Vietnamese in the near future. For example, if a teacher selects a reason for absence, they may also add a comment. Once the teacher completes the attendance list, click Save to store the data. These records will be sent to the attendance report. However, since this is just a test example, the IT department will undo the marked attendance entries and update them again. The most important part for teachers now is assigning homework and evaluating students' learning results through tests. When assigning homework, the teacher clicks New, then names the lesson. If the lesson includes a file link, please click to upload the file. Once the assignment is created, it will appear here. All students in the class will receive this assignment. Now let's switch to a student interface to test. This is the module that students and parents can view when logging in with the account provided by the center. For example, the assignment we just created for today, May 14, 2025, has not yet been submitted. If a student opens it to do the assignment, they must download the file. Suppose the student has completed the assignment. They will need to submit it. Click the Submit button. If it is a Word file, the student must convert it to a PDF before uploading, so the teacher can review and grade it more easily. Returning to the teacher's interface, press Ctrl F5. The teacher can click on the lesson to see who has submitted their assignments. Submitted assignments will be marked in green with the note Submitted. Unsubmitted ones will appear in red. The teacher opens a submitted assignment to review and grade it. After grading, the student's score will appear here, and the status will update to graded. If the teacher finds that a student has poor behavior or attitude and wants to issue a warning, they first find that student. For example, select any student here. Fill in the required information, e.g., number of violations equals 2. If the teacher ticks the box, this warning will be shown on the student's or parent's web account. If not ticked, it will be recorded only for classroom statistics. After completing the entry, click Save. If the warning box is not checked, the student will not see the warning on their account. Additionally, teachers can summarize and review which students have been warned or participated in class. For example, below is a list of students enrolled in the course, warnings, and academic results. Teachers can search academic results using keywords. This grading system allows teachers to assess each student. Exam scores can also be updated from the list. If any changes or edits are needed, please inform the IT department. Once the request is clarified, IT will work with the vendor to make the software more user-friendly. Teachers may also use the reports at the bottom of the page. While there are many options, the most relevant ones for teachers are courses, to interact with students, and timetables, to manage their own schedules. In the near future, if short instructional videos are needed, the IT department will produce and upload them to the company group.